it's me, Max, Mad Scientist. Today we're making an exploding volcano. Ingredients needed: you need some baking soda, vinegar, and coloring dye. Also, some other stuff's needed is a volcano model, a spoon, a stirry thingy, safety goggles, and a liquid syringe. First things first, put on the safety goggles. Next, dump all of the baking soda into the model volcano. Next, you dump the vinegar into the measuring cup and then add the dye. You need to add 3 drops of red coloring dye to make this work. 1, 2, 3. Then you use your stir thing and stir it up until it's all red. And then take this and suck it in. Then watch the volcano do its magic. Watching. Also, after you've done the explosion, get some paper towels. It's a real messy job. Click the like button and the subscribe button at the bottom. Thank you. Adios, amigos.